guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another first impression review for you guys. Revlon Matte Super Lustrous Lipstick. I have mine in the shade Retro Red. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to sa mall, but I will do my research and I will post it right here. The packaging looks like this. Meron siyang gold na ganap dyan, tapos merong Revlon, and then transparent din yung nasa ibabaw, which is perfect para makita mo talaga yung shade ng lipstick. Tapos sa bottom has the lipstick name, tapos the shade, and yung inside niya is gold din. Really freaking cute. I really like the gold and black combination. It looks really freaking social. I do have the Revlon Lustrous lipstick pero hindi siya matte. This is the first time na gagamit ako ng matte. So yeah, I will now go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on my lips. As usual, wala akong lip balm. Pero again, nag-apply ako ng lip balm every night before ako matulog. Oh, dang! That was so pigmented. This is what the lipstick looks like. Medyo tricky yung pag-apply niya kasi sobrang pigmented. Tapos kailangan mo talagang maging careful na hindi lumagpas sa lip line mo yung lipstick. Though meron akong lagpas ng konti, but that's okay. Really, really pigmented. Yung color payoff as in your face talaga. Hindi pa siya as in sobrang matte pa ngayon. Meron pa akong glossy na finish na nakikita sa kanya. Pero we'll see kung mag-mattify siya in a few. It glides on really smoothly again to the point na kailangan mo as in sobrang maging careful na hindi ka lumagpas sa lip line mo. But yeah, so far so good. It feels really nice on the lips. I-observe ko siya, i-observe kung ilang minutes siya before siya magmamattify or kung magmamattify siya at all. Yeah, I will let you guys know later, but it is now 11:21 ng umaga. I will have my lunch and then I'll update you guys later. It is now 3:12 ng hapon. Tapos na ako kumain ng lunch mga 1 hour 30 minutes ago. And surprisingly, nandito pa rin yung lipstick na bonggang-bongga. I'm actually really liking it. Though na-notice ko na hindi siya as in completely nag-matte talaga. Until now, hindi pa rin siya completely nag-matte. I did notice na nagta-transfer siya sa food na kinakain ko, sa spoon, sa bottle ng ininuman ko. Pero in fairness, nandito pa rin yung lipstick. Yes, pag tinignan mo siya as in close-up talaga, makikita mo na nag-fade na yung pinaka-inner corner lang, pero hindi tsaka yung pagka-fade niya, walang harsh lines, so it's still good. I will go ahead and spread the lipstick. And nasa-spread naman yung lipstick. So that's really good. I'm really liking it right now. I'm really happy na hindi ko na kailangan mag-retouch. Like, spread ko lang siya. Okay na. So yeah, that's amazing. And you still can see the color payoff, the pigmentation of the lipstick. Nandun pa rin siya. And I'm pretty sure na nag-tint na siya, which is good. Gusto ko yung mga lipstick na nagtitint. Nung spread ko siya ganina, mayroong medyo tugging na nangyayari. Hindi siya easily nasa-spread. Pero that's okay for me kasi it's a matte lipstick. So yeah, okay na okay pa rin siya. I don't feel the need to retouch at all. Ngayon, mas matte na siya compared sa kanina. Like, after ko siya spray-ned, mas naging matte na siya. Yeah, I don't feel the need to retouch. I'm gonna continue wearing it like this. And I will get back to you guys later. It is now 8:36 ng gabi. Katatapos ko lang kumain and 2 beses ata ako nag-snack. So marami nang pinagdaanan tong lips ko. Now, this is what my lips looks like. Medyo chaka yung pagka-fade niya, you guys, kasi I took a nap. I took a long nap. The way ako natulog, like face down. So, yung mukha ko nasa foam, gano'n. Sa upper part ng lips ko, nag-fade siya hindi dahil sa kumain ako, kundi dahil sa natulog ako at saka minudmud ko yung mukha ko doon sa foam. Medyo nagbitak-bitak yung lipstick. Hindi yung lips ko ha, yung lipstick lang. Na-notice ko siya na as in nag-fade na talaga siya after na ako mag-dinner. I mean, except doon sa nag-fade nga dahil sa pagtulog ko. So, para sa akin, it's a very long-lasting lipstick. To think na it's a red lipstick ha, nag-stay talaga siya ng bongga sa lips ko. And then, meron din siyang tint na nalilive sa lips ko. I'm not sure if you really can tell. May kamahalan kasi siya, so hindi ko masasabi talaga na, oh my gosh, I recommend you guys buy it. But, you know, if you have extra cash and you wanna try a good quality matte lipstick, hindi din kasi siya 100% matte and it claims to be matte pero hindi siya matte, so parang bummer. Pero performance-wise, overall, okay na okay siya para sa akin. Especially ha, hindi ako nag-retouch. Ilang beses na ba ako kumain, lunch, 2 snacks, dinner. It's not bad, but it's not the best matte lipstick I have tried. Yeah, so overall, not a bad product at all. And yeah, I can see myself wearing it again. So yeah, that's basically it for this review. Please do like this video if you found the video helpful. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye, guys. Yeah, but, yeah, ano bang sasabihin ko? Tapos hindi din kasi but nag-apply ako ng lip balm. Pero nag-apply, pero again, nag-apply ako lang